Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with a review, swatch, demo on all of the new Pixi Glow products. I am a part of Pixi's PR list, so they sent me their whole Glow collection right here. It comes with 2 dual highlighters as well as 5 liquid eyeshadows. I am wearing everything right now, and I am so excited to show you guys my thoughts, how they worked, and everything like that, because Pixi is such an affordable brand. So yes, I am super excited to be showing you guys this video. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you guys haven't seen my latest video, I did a review, swatch, and also demo on all the new Too Faced concealers, which I'm also wearing right now and I'm loving. So if you guys want to see my review on that, I'll leave that down below as well for you guys. So yes, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see my review, swatch, and demo on all the new Pixi Glow products, let's go ahead and get started. So I zoomed you guys all in and I went ahead and just popped a neutral brown shade into my crease. I took this shade right here from the Pixi Times Wella eyeshadow palette, popped that right into my crease before we start off our look. So the first color I'm going to be taking right here is called Passion Light. This is their really dark kind of brown shimmer shade. And I think I'm going to be applying this kind of like a halo eye. So I'm going to be taking this on the outer corners, and then we'll apply a color in the center. I'm going to try to use all the shades so you guys can see what they all look like. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So this is the packaging right here. I love the packaging. It looks so shimmery in the packaging. So pretty. Very lightweight, which I love. And I love the one. Look at it. It looks really nice to where you don't have to use a brush to get right precisely in that crease. It looks great for carving out the crease and stuff like that. So we'll see if that works. I zoomed you guys in a little bit more so you could see better. So I'm taking this Passion Light, having it right on the outer corner. Ooh, that is pigmented. I'm going to be taking a flat brush and kind of patting that in and blending it into the crease. Very easy to blend, which is really nice. And when you blend it, you still have that shimmeriness there. Because usually if you blend like a shimmery liquid color, it blends into nothing, but that really stuck to my lid. Look at that. So pretty. I hope you guys can see that. And add a nice definition on the outer corner. Popping that right in the inner corner and just blending that out. That color is super pretty. I really love how it blended so easily, because usually with liquid colors like this, when you apply it on the lid and try to blend it out, it is so dry. It's super hard to blend. And like I said, usually the glitter really just falls out. But this did not. Like, I have no fallout from blending that away. It blended so effortlessly, and I really love that. Love that a lot. Super pretty. Look at that. The next color I'm going to go in with is this one in the shade Rose Gold. Just a rose gold shade. I'm going to be applying that kind of on the outer edges where I put that brown shade, and not in the center. Kind of like we did with that spotlight look I did the tutorial on. I'll leave that down below if you guys want to see that. We're pretty similar to what I did to that kind of tutorial. And this is it in the bottle. So pretty. Just applying it right on the outer. Oh, that's so pretty. And just blending. Oh wow. That one looks so nice and wet. That is so pretty. These are really nice because they're not like chunks of glitter. They're more like a wet kind of metallic-y color. So pretty. I really love that. The next color I'm taking is this one in Sunbright, and this one is more of a yellowy shade, and that's what we're going to be using as our halo look in the center of the lid. These look so wet. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm not going to blend that one away because it's so pretty on the center. Just looks so glossy, which I love. Like super wet looking. I really love that a lot. Alright, so I have 2 more colors to use. We're going to use them on the bottom lash line. So before we go ahead and do the bottom lash line, I'm going to be taking that brown shade I used in my crease and applying it right underneath my lash line. Okay, so now for the lash line, I'm taking this in the shade Bare Brilliance. This one is more of the cool tone brown shade. That's what it looks like. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this one. That looks so pretty. And I'm going to be applying this right underneath my lash line. Inner to outer. These feel so cooling on the eyes too. Look how that made it nice and smoky. Love that. So pretty. Okay, we have one more color to use. The last color I'm taking is this one in the shade Crystalline. And this one looks like a super pretty white shade, so I'm applying that right in my inner corner. Oh my gosh. That might be one of my favorite ones. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this look. So pretty. So now I'm going to be popping on some mascara, and I'm taking the Pixi Large Lash Mascara. This one is in the shade Bold Black. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. I love this look. It's so pretty. Like, I would wear this out. It's not too much. It's not chunky. It just looks wet. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, we're nicely zoomed out. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk about these Glow Glossomer Duos. For this one right here, and then I'll swatch the other one. I'll try to use all of them. So this one right here is the Delicate Dew one, and this one just looks better for my skin tone. It looks a little bit more light. So this is the packaging right here. So pretty. I really love the packaging a lot. Okay, so my face is nicely set. I don't have any like liquid highlighter like I usually do. I'm just going to apply it just like it is to see how it looks. For that, I'm taking my Morphe M438 brush. I really love this. I'm taking, we'll start off with the first shade right here. Ooh, they feel so creamy. Just one. Ooh, that was one swipe. We'll try another. Wow. It is very pretty. Very natural. Very glowy, but not shimmery. It's very wet looking, which I love. Oh my gosh. I love that. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the second one now and just applying it over top. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. It's so wet looking. That one would be a little bit too dark for my skin because when I go like this, you guys can kind of see it. So I'm going to go over top of it with this one. Oh my gosh. Girl. This one was definitely too dark for me because you can see it when I turn my head. But this one definitely would be really pretty as maybe as a bronzer or an eyeshadow. So that's really pretty as well still. Okay, so we have this one in Settable Sunrise. I bet you this one's definitely going to be my skin tone, and this one's be a little too dark. This one's so pretty though. Like a rose gold shade, perfect for an eyeshadow. So I have a new clean brush right here. This is the Morphe 510 brush. So I'm going to take this color and just apply it. Oh, yes. That's so pretty. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and set this all down. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I used literally every single thing that was in here. I am loving everything. Beyond impressed with everything. The eyes were so pretty. I am loving this eye look right now. Like, I might go out. I have nothing to do, but I might go out just because I'm obsessed with this eye look right now. Everything looks so good. The highlighters are... they're popping. They're there, and I'm so excited because everything is so affordable. So I really love everything that they sent me. I highly recommend every single thing in here. Yes, that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.